Here we are presenting the 2019 Puma destination or park model. This is the 39 FKL, so it's a front kitchen model. So you've got patio doors, outdoor speakers, a large awning that extends out well beyond this slide, and is a power awning. Again, as a front kitchen floor plan, this gives you lots of counter space, nice bright windows, so a real pleasant working area with a great view. Again, lots of counter space. As a destination trailer, this has the full-size stove and oven, residential stove and oven, microwave, and of course a full-size refrigerator freezer combination. Around to my right is the table and chairs configuration. So this makes a specific kitchen area. Again, we've got lots of storage here. So this makes a nice, deep, spacious pantry. And this nice kind of breakfast nook or countertop. There are two stools that come with this that would sit right here. And this gives you the opportunity of sitting here watching the television from this location, or using this as a bit of a desk or whatever. Then of course we've got our patio doors here on the left, and then we move into the living room area, and here we have two very comfortable sofas opposite each other, one to my right, swing around, and the other to my left. Both of these are tri-fold queen-size beds. Then of course here we've got our entertainment area, which is a nice big television with a sound bar which provides simulated surround sound, and fireplace. And right opposite that are two swivel rockers. These very comfortable seating area right opposite your entertainment area. The bathroom provides a full surround or fully enclosed shower, medicine cabinet, sink, vanity, flush toilet, and a large storage cabinet. So again, this is nice and deep, spacious, lots of room to store here. The bedroom provides a king-size bed, storage under the bed, lots of cupboard space here, storage above the bed, and a full closet here. So a nice big closet, or provide provision for a washer dryer. So it's plumbed for the washer dryer. And here a little bureau sort of thing. And again, you could have, there's a charging station for your USB devices, and the opportunity to bring another television into the bedroom if you so desire. So this is a unique design for this year, new for this year, and a very popular floor plan. We invite you to come and see it in person on our lot here in Mono. Thank you for watching this video.